If you're running iOS 18 or later on your iPhone or iPad, then you can take advantage of the Math Notes feature that allows users to solve mathematical expressions, create and use variables, and graph equations. This is very helpful when you're doing budgeting, planning an event, or simply learning a new concept. You can easily access this feature and start using it by following these steps. Launch the calculator app on your iPhone and tap on the calculator button. From the options, select Math Notes, and then from the next screen, tap on the New Note button. Once you're on the New Note page, you can type a math expression to solve it. Just make sure you end the expression with an equal sign for the calculator app to solve the expression. You can also create different variables and then add equations based on those variables, and the calculator app will solve the equation for you. What's great is that the results will change automatically as you change the values of the variables. Another cool feature of the Math Notes is the ability to draw your math expression using your finger or Apple Pencil on the iPad. You can write the equation horizontally or write a stack of numbers and draw a line below it, and calculator will automatically add those numbers for you. There you have it, folks. This is how you can use the Math Notes feature on your iPhone or iPad and make doing math more fun on your iOS device. If you found this tip helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.